Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on dark mode on Facebook. So, if you're tired of the bright white screen, especially at night, dark mode can make your eyes feel a lot more comfortable, and it honestly just looks better too. Let's get started. First, open your Facebook app. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home screen, look at the bottom right corner of your screen and tap on the menu icon. This is usually represented by three horizontal lines or your profile icon, depending on your device. After tapping that, scroll down a bit until you see Settings and Privacy. Then tap on it. Now you should see an option called Dark Mode. Tap on it. Once you're inside, you'll have a few choices. You can select On, Off, or System. If you choose On, Dark Mode will always stay enabled on your Facebook app. If you choose Off, it will stay in the normal light mode. And if you select System, Facebook will automatically match your phone's theme. So if your phone is set to dark mode, Facebook will also turn dark, and the same goes for light mode. So go ahead and choose the option that works best for you. Most people prefer setting it to on or system for a smoother experience. And that's basically it. Once you select your option, Facebook will instantly switch to dark mode. If you don't see the dark mode option right away, make sure your app is updated to the latest version because older versions might not have this feature yet. Alright, that's how you can turn on dark mode on Facebook quick and easy. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.